Hello Internet, and welcome to this documentation of my lockpicking adventures. Today I will be opening up this Brings lock here. It has a 5-pin core. Only standard pins are in there. So, without further ado, see if we can get this open on video picture. There we go. Alright. So, the reason I chose to rake this open on camera versus single pin pick is that this is actually the first lock I've been able to rake open consistently at all. I haven't been able to rake open this 4-pin brakes lock, which you've seen me pick open in a prior video. I have been able to rake open a master lock number 3. Or this generic branded Walmart lock. Haven't raked that open yet either. I personally found weird that I wasn't able to get anything to rake open for me up until I got this one to open for the first time. So, thank you for watching. Thank this lock for cooperating for this video documentation attempt. Subscribe if you want, and have a nice day.